Hello, and welcome to Irunbelle. My name is Tope, and in this video I'll be showing you how to maintain and take down your needle and yarn flat twist. I did my needle and yarn flat twist a few days ago. I don't remember exactly how many days ago, but I know that my hair is due to be moisturized again, and I'm just going to show you how I do that, how I take care of my natural hair while it's in this protective style real quick. Water. Okay, however you pronounce that, that's one thing that you need to moisturize your hair. So I've got mine in a spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. Don't forget the length of your hair as well. Squeeze it in, try to make sure it gets in. I think my hair is sufficiently moisturized with water. I've covered every section. And so now I'm just going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. Squeeze it in. Apply some oil. Apply some oil to your scalp. This is how my hair is looking after moisturizing it again. I'll film how to take it down on a different day, but for now that's it. Bye. Hello again. So I've had my needle and yarn flat twist for 2 weeks, and I'm going to take that out today and show you how to do so. So I'm just unraveling the African threading now. So when you get here, what you want to do is to take out the thread the same way you put it in. So I'm using my needle and I can't see, but I'm just going to try my best to feel the thread. So I think there's one right there. Yep. thread that I had in my hair, and this is how my hair is looking. It's not dry. Look. I think it will be dry, but then it does have some moisture in there. I've got some tangles here, some slight one. I'll deal with that later. And so that's it, the first needle and yarn flat twist down. I'll stop here and do the rest of camera, but I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!